Welcome back to Shqipify. This is a continuation of our course Learning Albanian Through Sports. Today we're going to learn Albanian through volleyball, and we're going to do this through a conversation. So let's get into it. First, as always, only in Albanian, then with English translation, and then we'll wrap it up again with Albanian. Si shkoi ndeshja e volejbollit? Ishte fantastike. Fitore 3-1 me sete. Kush ishte lojtarja më e mirë? Kapitenja luajti shumë mirë. A pati shumë bllokime? Po, sidomos në setin e fundit. Now with English translation. Si shkoi ndeshja e volejbollit? How did the volleyball match go? Ishte fantastike. It was fantastic. Fitore 3-1 me sete. 3-1 victory in sets. Kush ishte lojtarja më e mirë? Who was the best player? Kapitenja luajti shumë mirë. The captain, female, played very well. A pati shumë bllokime? Were there many blocks? Po, sidomos në setin e fundit. Yes, especially in the last set. Very well, one last time, only in Albanian. Si shkoi ndeshja e volejbollit? Ishte fantastike. Fitore 3-1 me sete. Kush ishte lojtarja më e mirë? Kapitenja luajti shumë mirë. A pati shumë bllokime? Po, sidomos në setin e fundit. And that was it about this conversation of learning Albanian through volleyball. I'll see you in our next video when we have another short conversation about running. Continue learning Albanian through sports, and to remind you, if you're serious about getting fluent in Albanian with one-on-one lessons, please send me an email at shqipify@gmail.com, which you can find in the description below. I'll see you in our next video.